Well, I just finished looking at a whole shop full of Axelson lathes. I was impressed. I'm not going to tell you where it is, mainly because I didn't ask permission, and I'm sure they wouldn't want their name bandied about the internet on some guy's 2-bit YouTube channel. So let's just say I was very, very impressed by their operation. And as everybody in the oil fields right now going through hard times, they've had big layoffs and they're getting rid of some of their machines. They still do a lot of work on manual machines, it seems, and then they got this huge shop full of CNC. So I imagine most of the manuals are getting phased out and they will just do things on CNC from now on. They were keeping 3 of the Axelsons they had, which frankly I would have liked to have one of those, but I did find one that I'm very interested in and I think I'm going to buy. Just got to work out the details with the people. It looks to be like a 20-inch Axelson with a 10-foot bed on it, and it also comes with a lot of tooling, and I think it's a fair price, and I'm not going to even probably haggle with them. We will let you know how it goes. Some of the video I took of it, and enjoy. These old machines too tall, and it's sad. This one will go 1288, and it is 4951. Got the crank. Bottom handle there. What else you got?
Take a look on down the row. They were changing a gear on this one.
I shoot myself in the foot every time I tell people this, but Axelson lathes are arguably the best manual lathes ever made.
Pretty solid machine. And if you can also make sure you capture these on the end,
okay,
that'll be real helpful for me
you
when you come back.
Does any of the tooling come with it?
Yeah.
All that
We'll,
wood?
we'll ask Gordon to make sure.
Okay.
I know when I took that gun drill out of here, you know, the guy was happy to get the machine.
Yeah.
They loaded up 2 enormous pallets of gun drills. I mean, the gun drills were more money than the machine
Yeah,
was.
they are. They really are.
Yeah, all this manual stuff's coming out of here.
That's an old one.
Yeah.
See the motor? This is about 3912. Got a pretty big ridge on it. I think that one. That's a bit a little too long. I've got it.
The other side. Just the other side, yeah. Tooling, I mean, I see what's on the table there, but that's it. Yeah.
That's all. Okay.
Which, oh, this one. Okay.
So you're gonna keep that one and another one? Okay. Yeah, that one's too long for me. I'd never have anything that's even close to it.
So it looks like that 20 would be
That
best fit.
I'd like a 12-foot or 10-foot bed. I already have 2 of those.
Now everything's salted and I don't have to clear out and make room for it. Okay. They do want me to eventually get rid of it. I don't have any way to do it, any way to get them out of here. Yeah, we'll work on that. Good iron, they really are.
Only
Fit
problem,
that one?
huh?
You can't fit that one?
I'd have to cut the bed off. It's got a lot of wear on the you'd have to take it all apart and send it up to Dallas to be ground,
Yeah,
and then redo the saddles and all that.
So it looks like this guy over here is the candidate, huh?
It does.
Sounds good. Like I said, that one's got somebody else interested, but he hasn't committed on it, so.
Well,
So you said these weigh about how much?
in the manual that I have, the standard bed, which is 6 feet, a 20 is supposed to weigh about 7,000 pounds.
About 7,000.
See, this is a 10-foot bed,
Okay.
so it's 4 feet longer than a standard. So you'd add maybe about 175 to 200 pounds per foot. So you go 6 feet and then you start adding
Okay.
more.
So you got another 800 pounds of bed length.
Yeah,
So you said the standard is how?
6 feet, and on an 18-inch.
Yeah.
See, this is a 20. The 16 is 6,000 pounds, and a 20-inch is 7,000 pounds.
7,000 plus another 800.
Yeah.
Okay, so about 8,000 pounds. Gotcha. Close to 9 for that.
That's got the big motor on it. Can't really read it. Can I turn it on? Yeah. This should be the coolant pump. Sounded good. Do you have the taper attachment bed clamp anywhere for it? The taper attachment bed clamp is off.
Yeah. What you see is what's there.
What's there?
We don't have like a tool room or a central.
Well, there's two of the most common pieces missing. It's this lever that goes right here. That's for the spindle. You can turn it on and off over here. and then the tailstock, or the clamp that clamps for your taper attachment. Okay, got a 3-jaw. Looks like a D16. You have it wired for 4.
It's hard to say. I see 208 on that panel up there, but there's the junction box for this machine right there.
Yeah. Well, they can be rewired for 220. Well, I like it. It sounds good. And I will take it if we can agree on a price.
Good guy.